Have you ever felt like your quiet nature is a barrier to your success?
Sometimes I think my quiet nature holds me back at work.
Hold back? Nonsense, Mac. Although, could you hold back my call? I'm heading to a loud networking event. Do you ever wonder if the loudest voices are the only ones heard in your workplace?
I'm not sure my voice is heard among the louder ones at work.
Heard? I absolutely hear you. Wait, did you say something about work? In a world that cannot stop talking, the quiet ones often feel overlooked. But what if I told you that your introversion is not a hurdle, but a hidden superpower in the professional world? Nearly half of the workforce is introverted, yet their potential is frequently underestimated. What if the key to your next big breakthrough is not speaking more, but listening better? Imagine a world where the most thoughtful voice prevails over the loudest. Can you recall a time when being reflective gave you an unexpected advantage?
Reflecting on projects gives me an edge, I believe.
Reflective. Like a mirror? We should get more mirrors in the office to make it look bigger. Studies from MIT and Mainz reveal that introverts often outshine in deep thinking and strategic planning thanks to their active frontal lobe. Success is not about volume, it's about leveraging your natural strengths. How often do you embrace your introverted qualities as strengths rather than obstacles? As an introvert, you possess qualities invaluable in today's workplace. What unique introverted trait do you possess that could be your professional superpower? Greetings, Sachin here. Unlocking the power of introversion to help you become the most authentic and unstoppable version of yourself. First, let's figure out what kind of introvert you are. Broadly, there are 4 kinds. Social introverts excel in close relationships and prefer small gatherings.
4 are too much. Let's stick to 3 people.
Okay. Thinking introverts, creative and reflective, great at solving complex problems.
I think I just solved the 3-body problem.
Let's hear it. Anxious introverts work well independently with a keen eye for detail. In the suggestion box, someone just submitted a 3-page proposal on the optimal angle for stapling documents. Do you have anything to do with it? Restrained introverts, thoughtful and reliable, good at planning and decision making. It's okay if you think you fall under more than one category or even none at all. Either way, here are the key advantages introverts like you have in a professional environment. Creativity. Introverts thrive in solitude, leading to original ideas. Cautious decision making. Their thoughtful choices yield better outcomes. Empathy and listening skills. Their deep understanding of others fosters strong relationships. Self-motivation. Their autonomy drives their productivity. Team-oriented. Introverts support co-workers without seeking the spotlight. Understand your introversion type, practice your pitches, and embrace a growth mindset for success. Ready to use your strengths as superpowers?
There is one little problem. But if your silence is misconstrued as indifference or your thoughtfulness as hesitation.
Let's discover strategies that help introverts like Albert Einstein, Bill Gates, and J.K. Rowling turn their introversion into a professional advantage. Einstein's introversion helped him think deeply and produce groundbreaking physics work during his time at the Swiss Patent Office. Gates used his introversion to focus and innovate, creating a strong team dynamic at Microsoft. Rowling's introversion allowed her to immerse herself in writing, leading to her success as an author. Which brings us to these 10 tips to use your introversion as your unfair professional advantage. Quiet time. Use quiet moments to spark new ideas. Focused work. Dive deep into tasks for better solutions. Write it down. Sort your thoughts and plans by writing them out. Know your skills. Play to your strengths, whether it's detail-oriented work or strategic thinking. Quality connections. Build a few strong work relationships instead of many superficial ones. Use attentive listening and sharing knowledge as your secret tools. Energy balance. Alternate between work and breaks to stay sharp. Team up. Pair up with outgoing colleagues for a mix of skills. Listen more. Use your listening skills to understand and then respond. Work boundaries. Set limits to keep work and professional life healthy. Learn always. Keep learning to improve and adapt. The gist? Embrace your introversion for deep focus, careful listening, and meaningful interactions. Eventually, you will transform the way you see your introversion and the way others see you. And my next video will help you do just that. Click here to unlock the transformation waiting for you.